Guess who's back? Stevie DVD in VR 4K HD UHD and 360. Now, our British pound sterling notes will be changing soon. From the Queen to the King. So I thought I'd have a last look with you all at the British pound note. Other countries think they look quite pretty, and yeah, I agree they do. So let's have a quick look before they go out of circulation. We have the £5 note with the Queen on the front, and on the back we have Sir Winston Churchill. As you can see through that. There you go. You see your finger through there. £5 note. £10 note. We have Jane Austen on the other side. There's Jane Austen there. £20 note, Queen. And you can see through, and they are very plasticky, these. And on the back of the 20, you have J.M.W. Turner. And you can see. On the 50, little pinky, we call them the pinky. That's what we call his notes. You've got to give us a little pinky, lend us a pinky. And on the back, Alan Turing. There you go. There's all my serial numbers and everything there. So there you go. Our pound notes. Either £20, £5, £10, £50. And would you like to have a look at a pound coin? I've got one here somewhere. There we go. This is a pound coin. This is one single pound. Oh, let's get the light on it for you. It's not focusing very well, is it? Maybe if I put it down and zoom in like this. There you go. Oh, caught my hand up big then, didn't it? What have we got on the other side, I wonder? Can't really make that out. Well, there you go. And there it will go, because that will be going soon from the Queen to the King. There you go. Sorry to see you go, Her Majesty. Like and subscribe.